It is hot here today, 34 degrees. We got a thunderstorm just started over us, no rain, but a lot of rumbles. All in this lot. It's the hottest day today, and apparently next weekend we got the same. It's going to cool down tomorrow, 22 degrees. The hottest day today. 34 degrees here in Harborough. Just started rumbling. Listen to that. More up in the clouds. Sort of thunderstorms up in the clouds at the moment. It's not coming down at the moment. It's all in this dark clouds. Still warm though. Very warm breeze. Just had a little sprinkle of rain. Very rumbly. It's only just briefly just come over like this. We had lovely blue sky this morning. Very crackly. That looks the evil part, all up in that bit there. That looks very thundery. Whoa. Big flash then. Just come from in that part. Oh, gonna rumble. I seen that part of the cloud there. A lot of it's all up here at the moment, all in this bit, a bit over here. Whoa, big lightning strike just come down then. Just there, big lightning strike. Just missed that. That was just in the corner of my eye. Good about that. It come down literally just there. Just behind them trees. It's all in this area. Seems like it's warm enough for it to make thunderstorms. Seems like you've got cold air and warm air mixing. Sort of spitting rain. Whoa, big lightning strike just come down over the back of this house. Our next door neighbour's house. All keeps happening in the corner of my eye. Big one just come down over there. Whoa, and another one. It's all happening all in this area here, all this part, all in this. Whoa, big lightning strike. This is very evil, this one. time I just take my eye off that dark cloud, the lightning strike. Oh, there we go, another one. All up in that part. It's come early because it's not showing no thunderstorms on their Met Office. I think I need to stay here because this is where it's all happening in all this part. Keep it there. Whoa, big one just come out then. I went right across there. Started raining now. Rain. That's usually a sign you're in the storm. I think I'm going to keep my phone looking on this bit, this where it's all happening, this part. I think I would have to wipe my phone down a bit when I go back in when it finishes. Spitting with rain. I keep my phone still. We got any more? At the moment, whoa! Shouldn't have said that too soon. It's all in this part. That's the evil part of the storm. See, I like the eye of the storm. Oh, that's a loud one. Very deep. I'm going to end this and I'm going to go into my bedroom so you can see it from out my bedroom now. It's going over the back there so I can catch the rest of it if there's any more rumbles from my bedroom. Bye bye, and I'll see you on the next one when I'm in my bedroom if there's any more rumbles. Hi there, thunderstorms are passed over now. I'm going to edit my video onto YouTube now. It's passed over. If we get any more thunderstorms, I'll put some more on there. I'm going to edit it now. I thought I'd just tell you. I did say to you I'll start my next one in my room, but I've passed over now. That was a quick bit of flashing and rumbling, a little bit of rain. Enjoy when I put it onto YouTube. Please subscribe to my channel. Look me up, Eastman & Strange Spotter, and enjoy. And like I say, I'll try and put some more up if we get any more through the evening. Bye bye.